Welcome to SK Auto Review, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, latest automotive news, and expert insights on the hottest vehicles in the market. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 Ford Mustang GT500, one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the year. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT500 continues the legacy of raw power and aggressive styling, featuring a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that delivers breathtaking horsepower and torque. While official numbers are yet to be confirmed, expectations are high for it to exceed the previous model's 760 horsepower. This beast comes paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and a thrilling driving experience. Performance upgrades include enhanced aerodynamics, a revised suspension system, and improved braking capabilities, making it a track-ready machine while still being street legal. The exterior design of the 2025 GT500 is a perfect blend of classic Mustang heritage and modern performance enhancements. A bold front fascia, larger air intakes, and an aggressive rear spoiler not only enhance the car's visual appeal but also improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber components further refine the car's weight distribution, enhancing handling and responsiveness. LED lighting, signature Mustang tri-bar taillights, and new wheel options add to its unmistakable road presence. Inside the cabin, Ford has introduced a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The GT500 features a fully digital instrument cluster, an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Performance seats with enhanced bolstering ensure comfort during high-speed maneuvers, while advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist offer added convenience for daily driving. Technology and connectivity have been taken to the next level, with Ford integrating its latest sync system, offering seamless navigation, voice commands, and real-time performance tracking. The advanced exhaust system with adjustable modes allows drivers to customize the car's sound profile, from a quiet mode for neighborhood driving to an aggressive roar for track days. With a legacy of high-performance Mustangs, the 2025 GT500 continues to push the boundaries of American muscle cars. Whether you're a Mustang enthusiast or someone looking for a high-powered performance vehicle, this model offers an exhilarating driving experience. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specs, and industry news, make sure to subscribe to SK Auto Review and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.